Okay, I'm on my COVID isolation. I keep I keep myself busy and productive during the COVID-19 isolation. So this is what I did. Applying new Advance LBA Engine Restore to the engine bay in order to look great, new, glossy, shiny, and beautiful again. Because the last application that I did was December of 2020, and now I have to put another one coating again rather than go to the car wash and apply an engine bay to your car, and then it won't last long. It maybe last 3 to 3 weeks. After that, you have to go to the car wash again and apply uh, engine wash. But in this type of application, you only apply once every 6 months using new Advanced LBA Engine Restore, which is available in my clinic or at home. So if you want to make the engine bay of your car looks great again and new, you have to use or apply our new Advanced LBA Engine Restore, and you will not be failed. It will looks great again, I assure you, using this very cheap instruments for your car. Okay, and then keep yourself busy during the isolation, COVID isolation. Thank you. This is now the finish of my work. Look at that. Here, that one. Okay. Okay. In less than 30 minutes, you've already beautify the engine bay of your car. Look at that. Okay? You don't have to go to the car wash and pay more. It will be a big savings in your pocket if you apply the new engine bay LBA Restore. Okay? Just contact me and we have to talk it over. Thank you.